Now, as you have seen that what are the corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and also angles on the same side of transversal. So that we have seen with respect to two lines which is intersected by a transversal. Okay, so in that case we didn't specify whether the two lines are parallel to it or parallel to one another or not. Okay, so just considering, suppose line L and line M intersected by a transversal N, line L and M, I don't know whether they are parallel or not. So what are the pairs of corresponding angles? Yes, how do you define corresponding angles? The angle which is above to the right side of one line, same angle above to the right side of another line. So as you can say, angle 1 and angle 5 is the first pair. Second pair is angle 2 and angle 6. Third pair is angle 3 and angle 7. Whereas the fourth pair is angle 4 and angle 8. Similarly, for alternate interior angles, angle 3 and angle 5 and angle 2 and angle 8. Exterior angles, alternate exterior angles, interior, so inside the two lines, exterior means outside the two lines, but that too alternate. So 1 and 7, whereas 4 and 6. So angle 1 and angle 7, whereas angle 4 and angle 6. And last one, angles on the same side of transversal. So this is your transversal, all the angles on the same side of transversal, that too on the interior side. So angle 3 and angle 8. Similarly, angle 4 and angle 7. See, here you are considering the pair angles on the same side of transversal, interior angles as well as the exterior angles. Similarly, angle 2 and angle 5, whereas angle 1 and angle 6. Okay, so these are all the pairs which we have found. Now, when line L is parallel to line M, what are the relation between these pairs that we are going to see? Okay, when the two lines are parallel to one another, then in that case all the corresponding angles are equal to one another. Okay, the condition is applicable only when the two lines are parallel. So angle 1 is equal to angle 4, angle 2 equal to 6, 3 equal to 7 and 4 equal to 8. Okay, for two parallel lines, corresponding angles are always equal. What is the relation between alternate interior angles? Alternate interior angles are also equal. If the two lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal. Similarly, if the two lines are parallel, alternate exterior angles are also equal. Okay? And the last one, what is the relation between the angles on the same side of transversal? They are supplementary, meaning their sum is 180. And sum of the angles on the same side of transversal is equal to 180 when the two lines are parallel. Only if they are parallel, then their sum is 180 degree. Similarly, for the exterior angles also, their sum is 180. Okay, so what can we summarize from this? We can say if two parallel lines is intersected by a transversal, the corresponding angles are equal, their alternate interior angles are equal, their alternate exterior angles are equal, and the sum of the angles on the same side of transversal, the interior angles and the exterior angles are supplementary. Okay, so what could be its inverse? Meaning, when the lines are parallel, then all of this relation is present between the angles. But what if the relation is already present and we don't know whether the two lines are parallel or not? For example, suppose the two lines L and M are given and they are saying that angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Then I can be saying that if angle 1 and angle 5 are equal, it means L is parallel to M. Why? Because only for parallel lines the corresponding angles are equal. 1 and 5 are the corresponding angles for line L and M, and since they are equal, it means L is parallel to M. Similarly, if angle 3 and angle 5 is equal, I would be saying that L is parallel to M. Why? Because 3 and 5 are the alternate interior angles for lines L and M. Again, if angle 3 plus angle 8 is 180, again I will be saying yes, L and M are parallel. Why? Because these two are the alternate interior angles present on the same side of transversal, and since they are supplementary, they are parallel, because only for parallel lines the condition exists. Okay, so as from the parallel lines you can tell all these relations. Similarly, if these relations are present, you can also verify whether the two lines are parallel or not. So the conditions to check whether the two lines are parallel or not are, the first condition is if their corresponding angles are equal. If their corresponding angles are equal, yes, the lines are parallel. Second, if their alternate interior angles are equal. If their alternate interior angles are equal, yes, they are parallel. Similarly, if their alternate exterior angles are equal, yes, in that case also they are parallel. And the last one says if angles on same side of transversal are supplementary. If angles on same side of transversal are supplementary, then also I will be telling that the two lines are parallel. So if lines are parallel, these conditions could be existing, or if these conditions are given, you can check whether the two lines are parallel or